In this video, I'm going to show you how to use one Google Pay account on two devices. So if you want to use the same card on two different phones, just follow these steps. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure Google Pay is installed on both phones. So if it's not, just download it from the Play Store or App Store. Now, on the first phone, open Google Pay and sign in using the Google account you want to use on both devices. Now, once you're logged in, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Now tap on Payment Methods. Now here, tap on Add Card. Now enter your card details like the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Now after that, follow the verification steps, and your bank may send you an SMS code or ask you to confirm inside their app. Now once the card is added successfully, grab your second phone. Now open Google Pay on the second phone and sign in using the same Google account. Now again, go to Payment Methods and tap on Add Card. Now enter the same card details and complete the verification process. Now once that's done, the same card will be available on both devices. Now, depending on your bank, you can usually add the same card to up to 9 or 10 devices. Now just make sure both phones stay logged in to the same Google account for everything to work smoothly. And that's it. That's how you use one Google Pay account on two devices. If this helps you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.